ChatGPT Images 1.5 is here as OpenAI's latest flagship image generation model. I'll tell you the best thing that comes with the release of this model in several seconds, but first, they're claiming it generates images 4 times faster than before. It follows prompt instructions better, gives you more precise edits with image consistency, and improves text rendering. It's rolling out to all users, but the best thing that comes with this release is it gives you a creative studio. There's a central location for all of your images where you can view the images that it's generated for you previously. If you want to create more images, it has styles and filters that it suggests, including sketch, portrait, dramatic, plushie, doodle, ornament, fisheye filters, etc. And then there are these templates like holiday cards, album covers, background removers, item removers, restoring old photos, product images, professional headshots, interior design, renderings, and other suggestions. The first thing I did was I took this diagram it created for me, and I noticed that it had some spelling errors here, like this return, as well as the slack.com text rendering. What you can do is go up to the top and use the select area, the paintbrush, to identify what you want to edit. So I can highlight that and those 2 images, and then I can describe the edits that I want. And this is what it came up with. This is what it produced for me. It's a slight improvement, not exactly what I wanted, but it does the trick. The next thing I tried was creating a model, a 3D rendering of the city of Chicago with all these different attractions. And this is really good. I like the design and the rendering of this. You can compare this with what Gemini and Nano Banana Pro did. Both of these images are very strong, but in this case, the image from ChatGPT Images 1.5 has better detail and resolution. If I want to see the prompt that I use, I'll go to the top here, click on the 3 dots, and select Open Chat. And this will show me the prompt as well as the image. If I want to go back to images, I'll go to the left navigation here, click on Images, and we'll take a look at another example where I asked images to create a diagram using elements from make.com, highlighting 4 modules from Google Sheets, the OpenAI, ChatGPT API, and Google Docs. Here, it got a little confused. It did a nice job of using the same style that make.com uses when you create automations. So I did another simplified diagram, and this one gave me something that was more straightforward. This has to be a part of OpenAI's Code Red response, as Google has forced OpenAI's hand when they released Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro. Let me know how you think they compare. I have some more observations, including how it's surprisingly taken the top spot in LM Arena's image editing rankings. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.